On.
Good morning, it's me, it's Johnny Boy. It's overcast today, but we're not grouting today, so that's one good thing. I know there are grouting systems out there that you can use in the rain, but certainly we won't be using any of those systems. The only system that we actually use is a product that works, and it works well. But what you've got to do is you've got to make sure that your joints are dry. But prior to actually grouting, what we do, we make sure that we use a pressure washer like this. We clean all the joints all the way out, making sure all the channels of those joints are completely clean and any foreign particle. What we don't want is that those foreign particles having an effect on your grout. If you're using a cementitious grout and you've got a little bit of clay in there, what's going to happen is that cementitious grout has a porosity value and it's going to draw all the minerals out of that clay that's in that joint, so you've got to make sure it's completely out. And the other thing, of course, is that when you're grouting, you've got to make sure that you don't have any water or damp sitting in your joints. And you say, well, how do you do that during the winter periods? Well, you can. So what we're going to do today, we pressure wash it all out, make sure there's no rubbish in the joints, and then prior to grouting, we use a leaf blower and make sure the joints are dry, and try and pick obviously a good day to ensure that there's no rain on that day, because what you don't want is excess water adding to your grout. It's just going to your grout's just going to turn to watery custard. It's not good at all, or watery gravy. There's nothing like it, nothing worse is there on a Sunday when you have watery gravy on your plate. Anyway, that's enough said about that. As you can see, this patio is nearly completed, but Ryan's not going to show you, but just behind we've got a 600 by 300 cut that we were going to do yesterday. We forgot yesterday and we forgot again today, so we'll show that again. But the split level system's looking absolutely fantastic. Ryan, if you want to go over that side, mate,
yeah,
we'll be able to show our viewers from this side here now as it's happening. Look, it looks great. I mean, it's fantastic. I'm over the moon with it. You'll be able to see from this side here, if we can show our viewers here, Ryan, on this side where we've got this double inlay, and you can actually see we've got the 50mm inlay here, okay, and then we've reverted back to the 100mm picture frame on the outside of that. It gives it a bit of contrast and just sets the old garden off. And of course, the other thing which we've done, which we don't normally do, and it's been a really ball ache, and I'm going to say it really has been a real pain, we've got these L-shaped picture frames going around, and we've got the bond. If you want to come up, Ryan, just zoom in on there, we'll be able to show there's the inlay. You can see it here. This is the 50mm inlay going around, 4mm gap, and then we've got the 100mm one, well, 99 it is, going around on the outside. Sometimes you can have discrepancies in sizes, and we may have to go along with one of those little 2-in-1 grinder and just grind the face off to make sure. When we stand back, sometimes we look at it and we think that's out a little bit, and when we actually get down there, it's probably about 1 mil, and it just stands out, doesn't it, Ryan? It just stands
massively
out. So, and you can see it. It's really unforgiving with working with porcelain, but you can see it's looking good. Got a decent fall on there. We haven't gone for the 1 in 60, which you should have for porcelain, because we've got a fall this way, we've got a fall that way, and we have got a fall coming to the house, but we can accommodate any water going back to the house, and we can get it away. That's enough said on that. Look, I'm going to get this video out this morning and just load this one clip now as one video on YouTube. And I just want to say a massive thanks, because there was a response the other day about subscriptions. I actually asked people if they could subscribe to the channel. When you come onto the channel, you watch the videos. If you like it, just hit that notification button. You don't realize how important it really is. And if you can subscribe to the channel, that'd be really, really appreciated, because we are growing, okay? It is a good channel, in my opinion, and I know in a few other people's opinions, they actually like the channel, they enjoy the channel, and they get something from it. It adds, there's an air of realism about what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. We don't produce corporate videos. I'm not all clean shaven and looking like a mannequin in a shop window, not that I ever would, and not that I'd ever want to, but the channel is real. It's realistic what we're doing, and we're met with challenges on a day-to-day basis. It's difficult filming and producing the videos as we do every day, literally every day. And hopefully you'll subscribe to the channel. And remember, please remember, what we're doing is we're helping people, and also people are helping us. The community that we're building on the channel is absolutely incredible, you know, and I just want to say thank you to all and everyone for commenting on a regular basis as you do. You know who you are, we don't need to say, and if you go on there you'll be able to see the regular commenters on the channel, so really appreciate that. But please subscribe, let's get to 30,000. Let's see if we can over this next month of February we can get 1,000 subscribers. That'd be absolutely fantastic, and by the end of the year we may reach 30,000 subscribers. That's it for now. Have a great day. In the meantime, if you need any advice or any help, just drop us an email, info@greentoplandscapes.co.uk. If I haven't got back to you yet, if you had a question, I do apologise. Just send me another email and I promise I will get on it at some point. Tomorrow we're heading north, we're heading up to Stoke-on-Trent. We're going to be introducing a new bedding mortar, a new priming slurry, a new grout system, and something else, another product as well that we're going to be talking about in the near future. So stay tuned, see you soon, and have a great day.